Alright, so here is the best way on how you can get a private server on Roblox Fish without any Robux. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can get this. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you simply need to go to Roblox, and here as you can see, what you have to do is just simply search up the game. So I'm just going to search it up right away. And here we are. Once you search it up, as you can see, there is our game. So what you need to do is you need to press on the game and scroll down until you see servers. Just go ahead and press on servers, and it's just gonna load up. So right over here, you'll be able to see the option of private server, which is 199 Robux, which you don't wanna spend any Robux. But what you can do, just simply go to number of player, and instead of descending, go to ascending. And right over here, you'll see 1 people of 20 max. So you just gotta join a server, and the chances are the person who's playing in this server will leave, and you'll have your own server, like your own private server, and you'll have everything you want. So yeah, this is the best way. So I hope this truly actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.